Hello everybody, it's Janita back again with another video. Well, I want to share with you today a green onion, that I pulled out. I have been growing this green onion for over a year. And the only reason that I thought about this green onion today is because I was watching a video on A Seed is a Seeds channel. I have shouted this channel out before, but you guys need to go and support her. She does a lot of gardening videos, so check her out if you want to, but you might need to. She does great things on her channel. But anyway, I just want to share with you this green onion I just snatched out of the dirt. It's like, I don't know, I guess about over 2 feet, 2 foot, I don't know, something like that, but it's pretty long. And I'm gonna cook this baby tonight. I'm gonna use the green part, like A Seed in the Seed said, that's like green onions. And the bottom is the onion part, but I'm gonna cook this tonight. It smells wonderful, just like you said, Seed in the Seed. It smells so oniony. But yeah, y'all, I've been growing this for over a year. Might be almost 2 years. It's just been sitting in the dirt. Just didn't, I don't know, I just didn't bother it. But anyway, I just watched Seed in the Seeds video, and that's why I just ripped it out the dirt today. But I don't think she said it's mature enough, but it's mature enough. It's gonna be like a great big green onion for me. But anyway, go check A Seed in the Seed out, y'all. But thank you guys again for watching. This is Janita. And you know my channel. Tell your friends and keep supporting. Bye now.